I just found the best way to save money in 2024. In today's, everyone needs to know how to manage their money. So the main secret to saving money is keep the daily records of your income and expenses. Why track expenses? Tracking expenses is essential for maintaining financial stability and achieving long-term goals. By tracking where your money goes, you can identify areas of potential savings, make informed spending decisions, and avoid overspending. Here are 5 tips for effective expense tracking. The tip number 1. Establish a budget. Begin by calculating your total monthly income, including wages, salaries, freelance earnings, and any other sources of income. Next, list all your monthly expenses, including fixed costs like rent or mortgage payments, utilities, insurance premiums, and loan payments, as well as variable expenses like groceries, transportation, entertainment, and discretionary spendings. Deduct your total expenses from your total income to determine your discretionary income or potential savings. Set clear financial goals, such as saving for emergencies, paying off debt, or saving for specific purchases, and allocate a portion of your income towards each goal within your budget. The tip number 2. Use categories. Organize your expenses into specific categories to provide structure and clarity to your budget. Common expense categories include housing, utilities, transportation, groceries, dining out, entertainment, personal care, healthcare, savings, and debt repayment. Allocate a predetermined amount of money to each category based on your financial priorities and spending habits. The tip number 3. Track regularly. Consistently monitor your spending to ensure that you are adhering to your budget and staying within your financial means. Keep track of every expense, whether it's a small purchase or a major bill, to accurately assess your spending patterns. Set aside time each week or month to review your spending and compare it to your budgeted amounts to identify any areas where your adjustments may be needed. The tip number 4. Be detailed. Pay close attention to the details of your budget to gain comprehensive understanding of your financial situation. Break down your expenses into specific subcategories to identify areas where you may be overspending or where potential savings opportunities exist. Consider including a miscellaneous or contingency category in your budget to account for unexpected expenses or fluctuations in spending. The tip number 5. Review and adjust. Regularly review your budget to assess its effectiveness in helping you achieve your financial goals. Evaluate your progress towards your goals and make adjustments to your budget as needed to stay on track. Be flexible and willing to reallocate funds from one category to another to accommodate changes in your financial situation in priorities. Consider conducting a more thorough review of your budget annually or whenever significant life changes occur, such as a job change, relocation, or a major purchase. By following these steps and incorporating them into your budgeting process, you can effectively manage your finances and work towards achieving your long-term financial objectives. There are some apps to help you keep track of your budget. You can use whichever app is most convenient for you. For example, I use Mint as it is more convenient for me in terms of interface. In conclusion, tracking expenses is a crucial aspect of effective financial management. If you are organized, disciplined, and use the right tools, you can take control of your financial future and work towards your goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more frugal lifestyle tips.